Hi guys, this is the end result of my mom's hairstyle that she did for me.
He said he really go up all like me. Don't believe in nothing but the Almighty. Just a white tracksuit and some bright yellow kicks. He never did forever.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sweet Susie. So today we're gonna do my daughter here, Abigail. Abigail, do you want to say hello to YouTube?
Hi YouTube.
Yes. So today I'm gonna do her hair, but first of all, I've shampoo it and condition it first, and I've used Life Therapy, which is a good shampoo. It's a treatment shampoo and it's really good, and it's moisturized the hair also. After finish washing, blow drying and everything, I've used my our own Xcluzzy Oil, which is good for the hair, and it's all natural. It's good, it's treat the hair, and it's good for dry hair and dry scalp also, so it's good. So just in case if you want to order one, everything will be in the description box. Okay, thank you. Today we are going to use our cream of nature while doing the cornrow, and you know, as usual, we need our grab clips and our comb, and this is the hair I'll be using in her head here today. That's pose, model pose, so we'll be using this hair today. Yeah, so let's get on with it, guys. Okay.
result of my mom's hairstyle that she did for me. OMG. Do you like it as well? And also, stay home and stay safe.